Hello, this is Tommy from Systems for Dentists, and in this video I'll show you how to access and make use of the Orthodontic Overview screen. The Orthodontic Overview has been designed for staff in the practice to access key orthodontic information and allow you to quickly update the patient's status and notes. To demonstrate this, I'll first open a patient record. You can access the screen by selecting the Additional Options button and clicking Overview. Alternatively, you can press the F5 key on the keyboard. The overview will display key data in this table, including measurements taken via the orthodontic assessment and box number. The patient's image is displayed here, alongside bonded teeth and teeth to be extracted. There are two additional tabs that will display OPG and KEF images added to the record. For images to display in this tab, you need to access the patient's images, double-click the image, select Properties, and then select OPG or KEF from the Type drop-down and click OK. I'll press F5 to return to the overview. The two boxes below the patient's image will show any objectives that have been recorded, as well as the patient's plan. The box on the left can be used to enter clinical notes, and above this you're able to view and update the patient's status. The search button to the left of this allows you to select an action. Actions can be set up to automatically change the patient's status, enter some notes, and also to add a required appointment. At the bottom of the overview, you will see details of the current appointment, the next appointment, and any required appointments. I'll click Save. This will save the clinical notes and also add the required appointment to the treatment clipboard. Next, I'll close the patient record. You're able to set this screen for individual users as the default screen when opening a patient record. To do this, select the SFD icon, select Setup, then select Users. Select the required user, and from the Patient Open option, select Overview. The next time this user opens a patient record, the Orthodontic Overview screen will display by default. Thanks very much for watching this video. For more videos, as well as a series of useful FAQ how-to guides, please see our website.